That is more than 90 years.
Oh.
Yes, taking care of these babies. This home was started by a medical nurse, the late Winfred Walker. She was working at Namirembe Hospital, now currently in hospital. She started the home with an idea to take care of babies who were left unattended to at the hospital. So she started with few, keeping them around her quarters, then the number was overwhelming by then. So she had the idea with the Church Missionary Society. Then they gave them land and they started the home here. So since 1929, we are under care, keeping these babies. So when these babies come, they are brought here by police and the probation officers. So if you have a case in your community, it's not your role. Your only role is to rescue, report, then police handles from there, or the probation officers handle from there, and then they know where to place these children. So that means every child that comes with paperwork, not with words. They come with paperwork, so we start from the paperwork, the information there, then we go back in the community, we look for the families. After seeing them, then we prepare them. We do psychosocial support to the families. Then later, when they are ready, we give them back the children to the non-relatives or the biological parents that are ready. We do it when everyone is ready. And we take them back when it's in the interest of the child, not because you need your babies back to your home, but for the interest of the child, we take them back. And then these ones that we fail to get to know the parents or relatives, we do foster care and adoption. For us, we do foster to adopt more than foster or the legal guardianship and etc. So national parents, national families come here, single, married, and even international are welcome to adopt a child from here and send your babies home. So if the child is not fostered, then that is transferred to another children's home, because this is a baby's home. I didn't tell you we keep babies from 0 day to 4 years. But to exit a child, we don't wait until 4 years. We handle case by case. There are those that exit at months old. There are those that exit at years old. You may look at some, because their age we say approximately, because we don't have their date of birth. Maybe like, this one looks like my son, it may be 5 years, but here we handle approximately. So we when they are not transferred, maybe we do that. Because they are human, they fall sick and they die. When they die, we work together with KCCA and the officials of the division, with our church leaders, and then they give us authority to go and bury at the government cemetery in Jerusalem. But we have a living testimony for 3 years now, not dead.
Amen.
No severe healing, yes. That one we can testify. Since 2000, we just lost 2 children in 2018. One died in March, one died on 28th of December 2018. So since then, the whole COVID, the other Ebola are still living, and we are living testimony. So when children are received here, we have the nurses, we have the visiting doctors. They come and diagnose the children. So that means every child that comes here has a medical file. The doctors advise according to the name of the medical need. We have mothers who work there at home to different shifts. We have a team of 15 caretakers. They work in their shifts, and also have the kitchen department. It has free mothers. The laundry department also has free mother caretakers there. We also have a school, also like other children. However, we are not on syllabus because any day is exit day. many days entry there. So another one enters, another one goes out. So there is no way you can manage and keep a syllabus, but you just keep them busy learning according to their level of understanding. We have professional teachers, and we have 3 classes. Our first class starts with 6 months, 1 year. So for us, the moment you start to 6, that is 6 months, 5 to 6, you go to school. Then the second class is this class, 1 year to 2 years. Then our last class is 2 years to 4 years. So they go to school 5 days a week. The rest of the days they are really busy with their mothers. If it's a good weather, they play around. If it's a bad weather, they watch cartoons inside the home. So we are under the management of the Church of Uganda, Anglican Diocese. And we get donations from churches, from institutions, individuals. We don't have any permanent donor. So we can be a donor, another day someone is a donor. So everyone we rely on what you give us. We don't have any other source of income apart from donations and some food projects that we have here. We have a guest house. It accommodates 15. Just 15 beds at least. So if you feel like you want to sleep away from home, then we welcome you at a fee, at a simple fee. We also have a coffee shop down there. When you buy something there, it is coming towards the healthcare. I think that is all. And you're welcome. Thank you. And I think that is all. Unless you have questions. There we have a capacity of 50. Yeah. However, they are not 50 now. I think we are 46. 46, but more boys than girls. The boys are 20 plus, the girls are 17. We do create baskets for them. We have a system where we need to feed in their baskets, however much you bring in their baskets. So we count that if you say just entered Sanya at 1 month, so we get a basket. So we give them names. These are names. Unless a child has entered the name. Because not every child here is abandoned community. There are those that their mothers are temporary, are mentally sick. There are those that are under abuse. They are in family but they are abused. So some of them come with names, but those who don't come with names will name them.
I just needed to know if you guys do any domestic care or you also do rehabilitation, like Katare Plantation. Do you do rehabilitation or just
Domestic care. Because rehabilitation is something maybe we are looking up to. But as of now, unless the conditions on a child surfaces when the child is under our care. However, we don't handle such children well, unless it's, for example, in COVID, some institutions were not admitting. So we received some children with disability, but we don't handle children with disability.
when you get them